ဆက်လက်၍ခန်းနာစီစဉ်6ရာ Speaker Level တို့ရောက်ရှိသွားကြပြီဖြစ်သောမိမိလေးများမှပြောဆိုရင်ပြသမည့်စီစဉ်ဖြစ်ပါတယ် Public Speaking ကိုယုံကြည်မှုရှိရှိပြောဆိုနိုင်ရန်အတွက်မိမိလေးတို့ကိုပွဲထုတ်လိုက်ခြင်းဖြစ်ပါတယ်
According to Agenda 6, it's time to show the speaking skill of pre-starter class. May I invite Mimi Maybe Zongjo?
Hello, my name is Maybe Zongjo, but you can call me Maybe. I am JD student. I am student from Little House English House. My father name is Ujo Maijo. My mother name is Toine. I have one brother. I have happy family. My favorite color is white. My favorite food is watermelon. I like vegetables such as potato, carrot and watercress. Thank you. Bye bye.
Wow, fantastic.
Let me invite Mimi Ain't Mukai.
Hello everyone, my name is Ainta Mukai. I'm in grade 1. I'm in student for Little House English House. My father name is Utong Kai U. My mother name is Tony Lasso. I have one brother. I have a happy family. My favorite color is pink. My favorite food is pizza. I like vegetables such as tomato, carrot, and watercress. My hobby is traveling. I want to be a doctor when I'm old. Goodbye from bye-bye.
Wow, good job.
May I invite Mimi Mepu Techo?
Hello everyone, my name is Mebude Cho. I am a grade 1 student. My English school Little Heart English House. My father name is U and my mother name is Topio. I am an only child. I have a happy family. My favorite color is yellow. My favorite singer is Jimin from BTS. I like vegetables such as broccoli and cabbage. My hobby is traveling. I want to be a makeup artist when I grow up. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.
Excellent.
Let me invite Mimi Thank you Barney.
Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Bane, but you can call me Baoba. I am grade 1. I'm learning English at Little Heart English House. My father name is Uang Waipyo. My mother name is Donene. I am only child. I have a happy family. My favorite color is yellow. My favorite fruit is cherry. I like vegetables such as broccoli, carrot, and watercress. My hobby are drawing and painting. I want to be a doctor when I grow up. Thank you for the attention. Bye bye.
Wow, amazing.
Thank you so much for all of your participation.